We're on? Awesome. All right, guys, here we are back at Joe's Diner at the awesome truck meet. This will be the last one, or the first one of the year, actually. We're here with Peter. Hey, dude. How are you, mate? Bailey, was it?
Yeah, Bailey.
What was the name, sorry, mate?
Yeah, Josh.
Josh.
Here you
That's
go,
right.
bud.
So these guys are the drivers. Well, you've shared a few of the trucks. So have you, haven't you? You've shared a few of these trucks throughout the years.
Yeah.
And this is Bailey, who's soon to be, well, hopefully not soon, but one day,
One day.
to be the owner of the rest of this fleet. So, mate, tell me about these trucks. So these have been in the family for quite a while, have they?
Yeah, they've been in there for quite a while. We've got the newest one over here, and then we've got this one's...
The RUSTEZE one?
Yeah, Rusty's is down the track, and this is pretty new, this one here too. So
are these all working trucks?
yeah, they work every day of the week, hard as, with Sims Metal, work carton steel, doing grain, doing road train work, doing interstate work all the time.
But they look like rolling works of art.
Yeah, they are. They are works of art. Yeah.
So tell me about the story behind the artworks, because like the amount of time and detail in the art itself throughout the RUSTEZE one, and what's the art behind this one as well?
Oh, that's called Pommy's Pride, which was the grandfather is actually a Pom. So yeah, so he did it in Pommy's Pride. You know, it's all English.
awesome.
You got all the train. You got Flying Scotsman.
Trying to do 120 more.
Yeah, it's all about all the fuss.
And all that.
All, you know, big band,
Yeah.
everything like that's all painted on. And then you got on the back, you got all the ships,
Oh, I
the
did see that, the
planes,
planes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
and all involved in transport. What transport is on the back of it. So mainly, if you really look into the detail, he was actually a double-decker coach bus driver over in England. And then he came over here.
The owner was?
Yeah.
Oh,
but
was he?
That's the grandfather. But the grandfather sort of was a bit harsh on everybody. So
Yeah.
the stepson ended up taking over. And in the long line of it, Terry sort of brought the business out and held up everything and sort of built it all up again. So yeah.
Well, he's done an awesome job, because like the next one here, the RUSTEZE one, this one's obviously quite a popular one with the kids, with all the cars and Disney theme.
Yeah.
So what was the story behind building the Disney theme for this one?
The themes with all the trucks are the grandkids, Bailey, as you see Bailey on the front of the truck.
Yes, I did see that.
Yeah, was one of the oldest sons who actually turned around and said, I wanted cars. So they all painted that for cars.
Yep.
You know, the kids all wanted cartoons. So we got one War One, we've got one Transformers.
Oh, is that yours? I've seen that one
I
around.
actually just drove past before.
Oh,
So he's
that's
still,
awesome.
actually as a working truck, he's still
He just
working.
drove past, yeah.
Yeah, so,
Still a good place
yeah,
for it too.
yeah.
Yeah, they were saying
So-
it before, yeah.
Good place
All the
for it.
theme of it is the kids all wanted something that was, you know, like
To their taste,
cartoons,
what they
to
want,
they
yeah.
wanted.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So they got that what they wanted.
So how long did the airbrush work? Like from on this one in particular, did it take a
this
long
is-
time? Was it off the
in
road for a while?
workshop, Yeah, it was in the workshop for about 4 to 5 months.
Wow.
PJ Customs did all the workshop,
Yeah.
did all the painting. It's all hand brush and everything.
Oh mate, it's amazing work.
Yeah,
It
it
honestly it looks like a rolling canvas.
Yeah.
So these trucks, how many more trucks have you guys got in the fleet?
Well, at the moment we've got 9. We're still building. We're building
Wow.
and building and building. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got another new 610 coming. We've got a 610 sitting back at the yard.
So is it a mix of Kenworth and Western Star and?
Oh no, not really. We're actually going all Kenworth.
Okay.
So the whole fleet's eventually going to be Kenworth.
And this is what the last Western Star one left here, the cars one?
No, not yet. It's
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. We've got 4 Western Stars at the moment.
Yeah.
And we're slowly building into the Kenworth.
Yeah,
so
cool.
a bit more reliable, a bit more hard rough. You know, like when you're driving around there.
So tell me a few facts about. Let's talk about the Kenworth. There's a brand new one over here, the blue one that you guys just got up.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. All the chrome and the blue. It looks like a
Beautiful.
showpiece, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a very unique colour. Like it was sort of what the boss wanted in that colour. and all of them are painted in that colour, all the new ones.
Nice.
Yeah.
So what sort of engines do these things have?
Well, that's got
It's X15 in that one, mate.
a X
X15 Cummins.
X15 Cummins.
X15 Cummins. So for those viewers who don't know what that is, because I know what it is, obviously, but the viewers, what's an X16? What is it?
15
X15.
15 litre.
15 litre, 600 horses, 20-50 foot-pound of torque.
George is there driving
So,
here, by the way.
yeah,
How big's the motor?
15 litres.
15 litres.
15 litres.
How many? Is it a straight six? What is
Yeah,
it?
6-cylinder, inline
So-
6-cylinder. 15 litres.
15 litre 6-cylinder.
Yep. Yeah.
Holy.
Single turbo, intercooled. Yeah. So,
How much power do those things pump out?
600 horsepower that one's set at.
How much torque?
50 foot-pound.
Right, okay.
Yeah, 2,050 foot-pound of torque.
Damn.
Yeah.
So these things pull road trains all the time and everything?
Yeah, I spend most of my time on the road train out west with them.
So how much weight can these things normally tow? Or what's like the max these things could normally pull?
I think that one's set at 110 tonne GCM, but which is AB triple stuff. So AB triple.
So that's 3 lots of road trains?
On a single dolly and a B double.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Single dolly B double.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 36 and a half metres long and about 75 tonne payload.
I've always been curious. The fuel tank, the massive fuel tanks on the side. How much fuel can these things carry normally on one trip?
This one here's got 2,100 litres.
2,100.
Yeah, your car's 2,100. Mine's only 1,450, but I went round tanks because I do a fair bit of paddock work with it. So I was always a bit scared when I was driving this one in the paddock, and I was going to take the bottom of a tank out. So
That'll be an expensive
an expensive cock up, mate. You don't want that. So that's why I expect that one with the round tanks, but it's only 1,450, but it's still
1,450 litres of
Yep.
diesel. Imagine that with the cost of fuel right now. Imagine that
Yeah.
just topping it up.
not pleasant, mate. I've seen the cost of it, and I don't envy the bill, mate. I can assure you.
I bet you don't.
No.
Mate, well, these things are awesome, mate. Thank you, boys, so much for bringing it out. Thank you for your time.
No, glad
And-
to be here, mate. Glad for the invite.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
mate, it's awesome that you guys came out, and we hope to see. I can't wait to see what the future brings with the rest of the trucks.
Yeah,
You know,
I'm
hopefully
looking
more
forward to it.
themes.
I'm looking forward to them as well, mate. Yeah, there's some.
Maybe a Barbie
Terry,
theme.
Barbie?
Yeah, Barbie.
Pink.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I don't know, I may have to go Ken or something as well.
Oh, you want to be a bit Ken, eh?
He's a great boss, our boss, Terry Abbott.
Yeah.
Everybody loves him at work. So, yeah.
That's
e-
awesome.
His son's good. The whole family's great.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Well,
We're
mate,
all-
it was-
we're all like a family, you
Yeah.
know? Sort of all
Mate,
look
it was a pleasure to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Pleasure to meet you. Sorry, what was your name, sorry?
I'm Mel.
Mel, nice to meet you.
Good
Thanks
on
so
you.
much,
Good on you,
dude.
buddy.
Thanks,
Appreciate it.
guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.